What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Hunting Man Jones. I am Justin, the Hunting Man Jones, and I'm super excited today because I have the new Mystery Tackle Box Elite Box. These are brand new. This is the first one I've ever gotten. I got an offer from Mystery Tackle Box to upgrade to this, and the subscription or whatever was, beginning, and that you can only get it if you was already subscribed. So I went ahead and got it because I thought it was a super cool idea. I wanted to upgrade and see what kind of products that they would give me. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up for you guys. It's going to be a short unboxing video. So it has been unopened. I'm gonna show you guys. So you can see that the seal is still fresh. I haven't even opened it yet. I have no idea what's in this box. So here we go. My little razor blade knife here. Let's see what we got. Alright, right off the bat, wow. Alright, a BioVex Joint Gill 116 swim bait. I am actually really excited about this. I've never fished with a big swim bait like this, and I've really been wanting to, and I've really been wanting to try it. That's exciting that came in there. I'm going to try to figure out how to use this, because that's going to be interesting. What else we got here? Looks like a Bagley Pro Sunny Bee twin spin, and it says MTB exclusive. It's got spinners on the front and back. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Doesn't say a whole lot on it, but it's definitely a topwater bait, so that's pretty cool. And then a Booyah Bait Company. It's called Prank TM. It's basically a popper with a little bill on the front. I'm assuming that's to give it some more downward action when you pop it. So that's pretty cool. And it's pretty small too. That'd work good for like smallmouth or small creek fish. That'd be cool. And then Jackal Flick Shake. Let's see these. It's like a black and red flake, or like a dark green and red flake. Flick Shake. Perfect for wacky jig head technique. Curve design for squirming action. Super soft and salt injected. It doesn't say a whole lot on the back. I've never seen this brand before, so this will definitely be a first for me. Looks pretty good though. I mean, for sure, I'll for sure give it a whirl. And then what are these? Megabass Custom Worm. It's in Chinese. It looks like some big crawdads in there. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Let's see if it'll focus. Can you see kind of what they look like? I can't read to tell you what. Bottle shrimp. So I don't really know. I don't know. I'll try them. I'll give them a whirl. And then these are exciting. I've been wanting to try some of these as well. These Exo Swim 4-inch, just a swim bait. I've been wanting to get a hold of some of these, and I've not been able to find them. And I mean, I haven't looked real hard online, but I've been wanting to get some, and I just haven't really tried real hard. But that's exciting. I'll definitely catch something on that. And my personal favorite, rattle trap. Let's see, Yo-Zuri 3DB 3D Prism Wave Motion. It's a 1/2 ounce, just a lipless crankbait. It's pretty cool. And let's see. So this box here is $39.99 if I do remember correctly. The box is a little different. It's gray instead of black. Yeah. Okay. There's really nothing special on this. I'm just checking it out real quick to make sure it's not something I should share with you guys. And then a little MTB sticker. I usually put these on my tackle box or on my truck or whatever. But yeah, that is the Mystery Tackle Box. And let me go over them one more time in case you guys missed them. So, came with this guy. I think you guys can see that all right. And the Booyah popper. And this top water here, what is this? The twin spin. Never used one of these. Seen them before, never used one before. And these swim baits, and then these little shrimp looking things, crawdad looking things, I don't know. And then these look like a trick worm is basically what they look like. But yeah, that's it. That's the new Mystery Tackle Box Elite box. So that is my first one, and this is, if I didn't say so already, this is the month of March. I may try to do a slam sometime this week. I don't know, it might be kind of hard. The water's still really cold here in Arkansas, and I don't know that I can pull it off with those top waters, but I may give it a try just to say that I tried it. But yeah, so that's it. That's the Mystery Tackle Box for this month. I hope you guys like this video. The whole unboxing thing is kind of a new idea for me. I get this stuff anyway, so I decided to unbox it for you guys. So if you guys are wondering what is in the tackle box each month, I can send you guys, or you guys can watch my videos of me unboxing them. I think they're a little different depending on where you're at in this country or whatever. So yeah, if you guys like my video, do me a solid, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. It does me a big favor. I'm fixing to go get geared up right now. I'm going to go to my brother-in-law's farm. He bought it pretty recently, and I'm actually going to go try to catch some fish on it today. He's got a really small little pond on there. I'm going to do a little pond fishing today. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to get out and cast a couple times, hopefully, you know, jerk some lips and stuff. But thank you guys for watching, and like I said before, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit me up in the comments if you like the video, and you guys have a good one.